Howdy folks, today we're going to go over something fairly simple with load securement. I'm going to show you how to get 2 chains out of 1, and I'm going to explain it a little bit because I have had not very many times, like 2 or 3 times, but drivers, either newer drivers or drivers just don't know what they're doing, come up and tell me I can't do that because it's 1 chain, and you only are allowed 1 chain per one binder per chain. So let's get to it. If you look here at the back of this backhoe, I have a binder at the rub rail going up, hooking into the chain, and the chain runs up to the backhoe through its eyelet and hooks back onto itself. I threw the excess chain over. Let me go over there. Alright, over here, same deal. Chain hooked into the stake pocket at the rub rail. Binder hooked into the stake pocket at the rub rail. Goes up, hooks into the chain, chain goes up, hooks through the eyelet onto itself. Now, this is where the how-to part slash explanation video comes in. If you took that chain off and laid it on the ground, yes, 1 chain. It is 1 continuous length of chain. However, when you look at load securement, this is 2 chains. Now, the chain is anything that's tensioned. So, the binder is part of this chain system. Hooks onto itself at the machine, down to the rub rail. That is your chain. This right here, technically a chain. By definition, it's a chain. However, see this? There's slack. So if you look on any load securement, this might as well not even be here, okay? That's just random tools laying around at your disposal, all right? There is slack, so this is 1 chain setup, and that is 1 chain setup. Same difference, because it's the same over there. So, if there is slack in between these, this isn't here, it might as well be invisible. So you have 2 chains. So 1 chain, 1 binder, 1 chain, 1 binder. That's just excess. You can ignore it. So that's how you get 2 chains out of 1 chain, and it'll save you from pulling stuff out of your toolbox. Just leave slack in the middle. Now, if you run out of chain and it gets taut between these 2, that counts as 1 chain, 2 binders, which you cannot do. So, yeah, that's just an explanation as to clear up some, I don't know, confused people, I guess, which is fine. And a tip to show you how to get 2 chains out of 1. Save you from pulling more shit out of your toolbox. So, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you guys. Again, with my load securement videos, this is a example. This is not a how-to. So, I'm not liable for anything. If you lose a load, get tickets, kill somebody, that's on you. But, yeah. So, have a good one. Stay safe out there, and as always, stay crazy.